Hey, it's Jack here with Golden Egg. It's been a busy week here at the shop, but we're finally starting to get caught up on everything. And we just got one drone left right here. It's J150. Needs a landing gear and some other stuff. We just got parts in, so we can get going on that. And then finally getting caught up on everything. We might get to this J100 over here that has been patiently waiting for its upgrade kit for some months now. So we're gonna get cracking on that, and hope you enjoyed the time lapse. Alright, so just so you guys kind of curious about what we're doing here. With this particular drone, we had this happen. Focus. Okay, that just popped that. That was in here with all those other terminals. And this just popped right off there. Now, why that's happening right now, we don't really know, but that's not for us to figure out, and we are gonna get this replaced so this guy can get his drone back and he can get back to spraying. guys, we got this J150 all buttoned up. Just got the tank done. Just gotta put that back in here, and that one should be ready to go. And then we also got this one over here. The boss man was working on here just a little while ago. He just came in this morning. Just having some nozzle issues, but we got all that stuff buttoned up, and we're gonna get some new firmware on this one, and then we'll get these two drones out the door back to their owners, so those guys can go get some more acres in. So yeah. Well, it never fails. Got one sent out the door and another one back in. J100 has got a bad arm, so I got some firmware stuff to do with this 150 quick, and then I'll get going on that one with Boss, and hopefully we can get that one done by the end of the day. Alright, so this last guy just came and got his J150. That one's gone. We just got this J100 left. And Beans, he got mad at me earlier for not introducing me. Say hi to the YouTube.
The YouTube.
That's the boss right there. So if you're ever coming to buy a drone or you got any questions, you're talking to him 99% of the time. Unless you're one of the lucky ones. Sometimes you get to call me, but not very often. So we're going to get this.
Where's that 3 millimeter?
I don't know. We're going to get this J100 finished up, and then we're on to that one. Hopefully it don't take too long doing it with two guys. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, we got this J100 all done. It does still need a LiDAR, but we're missing that right now. Can't get it in. It won't be here till Monday, so unfortunately, that drone's gonna have to sit. So I think that'll be all for today. Sorry, I know it's gonna be kind of boring. It's gonna be a bunch of time lapses, but tomorrow though, we should be out spraying in the morning. So hopefully we get some good drone shots of that. So is that all for today? It's been an awesome drone season, hasn't it? Alright guys, well I think that's going to be all for today guys, so make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. What?
Stay golden, pony boy.
Stay golden, pony boy, he says. That's got to be the outro in every video now. What?
You ever watch Outsiders?
Yeah, I watched Outsiders.
That's what it's from.
Well, obviously. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one.